Okay, I think we are in business. All right, so this, listen guys, this part of the equation kind of looks like what? A lot of. What does this part of the equation look like? Kind of looks like what you did for homework last night, right? Okay, when you got, shh, before you rooted both sides, you got that. So, when we get problems like this, we have two completing the square problems to do in one problem. Okay, so we're going to do complete the square on our x's. Then we're going to do complete the square on our y's. And then we'll get it in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Isn't that fun? We get to do it twice in one problem. We're not having a test tomorrow. We're not having a quiz tomorrow. Okay, so I have x squared plus 4x. And I'm going to add to it my perfect square to get my perfect square trinomial, which means, by the way, I'm going to put that 3 over there, which means I'm going to have to add that to the other side. Then I'm going to work on the y's. What? Yeah. And then I'm going to have the y squared plus y squared plus 6y. And I'm also going to make that one a perfect trinomial so I can make a perfect square binomial. But I'm going to have to add that perfect square to the other side. You with me? You with me? You with me? Okay, so for my x's, I'm going to take positive 4, half of positive 4, square it, which is 2 squared, which is 4. So I'm going to add 4 there, add 4 there. Okay, now I got to do my y's. So I got 6 divided by 2 squared, which is 3 squared, which equals 9. So I'm going to add 9 here, add 9 there. Yep, it's pretty easy. So I have my x plus 2 squared, okay, plus my y's. I have y plus 3 squared equals 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 9 is 16. So right off of this, if it says, oh, it does, it's asked us to identify the center. So my center, remember, everything's opposite coming out the parentheses. -2, -3, square root of 16 is, we don't have to worry about the minus because we're dealing with distance. Easy peasy, right? Should we do another one? Should we do a sketcher? These are easy to do, though. That's all right. We could do it. It's on the back. Yeah. These are harder. It looks like these are like lot more numbers. Yeah, let's do one of these. Okay, I'll do a sketch. Sketch is easy. All right, all right, all right. All right. So I have x squared minus 4x. And I'm going to make a perfect square trinomial, which means, let's say I got to move this 4 over there. Well, you could do it that way. That's fine. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2 squared, which is 4. For my y's, oh, I forgot to add 4 over here. Then for my y's, I've got positive 4 divided by 2 squared, which is 2 squared, which is 4. Okay. Question? Question, Clayton? That's just part of my formula. B divided by 2 squared. That's the formula for completing a square. I could go into where that 2 comes from, but it'll take me like 10 minutes. Okay. Let's see. So I've got x minus 2 squared plus my y's. I've got y plus 2 squared. And then I've got negative 4 plus 4 is 0, plus 4 is 4. So my center, 2, negative 2. And my radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. Okay, so my center, that 2, negative 2. Radius is 2. 2 that way, 2 that way, 2 that way, 2 that way, and draw your sucky circle. And I'm done. It's my circle.